Hello, good
Hello, good
afternoon,
afternoon,
everyone.
everyone.
So,
So,
welcome to
welcome to
the
the
PMRFTS
PMRFTS
session week
session week
3 of
3 of
this
this
course
course
Introduction to
Introduction to
Robotics, which is
Robotics, which is
taken by
taken by
Professor
Professor
Ashok
Ashok
Kanti and
Kanti and
Professor
Professor
Balram
Balram
Manandra and
Manindra and
Professor
Professor
Krishna
Krishna
Vasudevan,
Vasudevan,
sir from
sir
IIT
from IIT
Madras.
Madras.
So, actually,
So,
this
actually, this
session
session
was
was
supposed to be
supposed to be
planned
planned
on
on
Tuesday, 7
Tuesday,
to
7
9,
to 9,
but
but
I had
I
some
had some
other
other
events
events
on that
on
day.
that
That was
day. That was
Independence Day, so
Independence
some
Day. So some
technical
technical
demo we
demo
need to
we need
show
to
to the
show to the
guest.
guest.
That's
That's
why I have
why I have
postponed this
postponed this
session
session
on
on
Saturday, that is
Saturday. That is
today.
today.
So I'm
So
really
I'm
sorry
really
for
sorry for
this,
this,
and I
and
hope
I
that
hope that
management
management
could not
could not
attend because
attend
of
because
that.
of that.
So for
So
this
for
reason,
this
what I
reason,
am
what I am
planning now,
planning now,
that
that
this
this
video we
video
will
we will
record, we'll
record,
upload
we'll
it on
upload it on
YouTube,
YouTube,
and the
and
student
the
who have
student who
missed
have
this
missed this
session now
session
can
now
watch
can
it
watch it
later
later
through YouTube.
through YouTube.
Okay,
Okay.
so
So
we will
we will
solve
solve
many
many
questions based
questions
on the
based
week
on the week
3.
three.
Like
Like
whatever taught
whatever
in the
taught
week
in the
3,
week
we'll
3, we'll
solve
solve
according
according
to that.
to that.
So we'll
So
start
we'll
with the
start
first
with the first
question.
question.
So the
So
question
the
says that
question says
from the
that from
below
the
option,
below
choose
option,
the
choose the
fundamental
fundamental
operation
operation
involved in
involved
making
in
n
making
minus
n
one
minus one
frame
frame
coincident with
coincident
nth
with
frame.
nth frame.
So
So
basically in this
basically, in this
question, it
question,
is
it is
asking,
asking,
it is
it is
asking that
asking that
how
how
n
a
minus
n
one
minus
frame
one
can
frame
make
can make
coincident with the
coincident with
nth
the
frame.
nth frame.
So what are
So
the
what are the
operations
operations
required? So
required?
let's
So
take an
let's take an
example
example
from the
from the
classroom only.
classroom only.
So
So
this is our
this is our
base.
base.
I'll
I'll
increase the little
increase the little
width of
width of
this
this
pen.
pen.
Now this is
Now this is
fine.
fine.
So let's
So let's
suppose this is
suppose this is
our
our
base
base
frame.
frame.
So that
So
is
that
given
is
as this
given
is
as
the
this is
x
the
naught
x naught
axis.
axis.
Before that,
Before
let's
that,
make the
let's make the
joint.
joint.
So these are
So
the
these
two
are the two
joints,
joints,
and this
and
is
this
our
is
tool
our
tip.
tool tip.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
this is
this is
let's suppose
let's
in this
suppose in
question
this
it is
question it
given
is
n
given
minus
n
one
minus
and
one
nth
and
frame.
nth
So let's
frame. So
suppose
let's
this is
suppose this
nth
is
frame,
nth frame,
and this is
and
n
this is n
minus one
minus
frame.
one frame.
So this you
So
take
this
as
you
a
take as a
joint one.
joint
This you
one.
take
This
as
you
a
take as a
joint J
joint
naught.
J naught.
So this is
So this is
our x
our
naught
x naught
axis.
axis.
First we'll take
First
z
we'll take
axis.
z
Z
axis. Z
axis is
axis is
along
along
the
the
axis
axis
of the
of
joints,
the
that is
joints,
z
that is
naught.
z
X naught
naught.
will
X
be the
naught will be the
perpendicular to.
perpendicular to.
After that we
After
have to
that, we
take
have
x
to take
naught.
x
So x
naught. So
naught
x
will be
naught will be
perpendicular to z
perpendicular to
naught.
z
So you
naught.
can
So you
take in
can take
this.
in this.
You can take in
You can
any
take in
another
any another
direction also,
direction also,
but we are
but
taking
we are
in this.
taking in this.
Now
Now,
through the right
through the
hand
right hand
coordinate rule,
coordinate rule,
this will be
this will
our
be
y
our
naught.
y naught.
Okay.
Okay.
So now,
So now,
how we
how
can
we
shift?
can shift?
Here you can
Here you
see
can
this
see
is
this
our
is our
x,
x,
this is
this
our
is our
z,
z,
and this is
and
our
this is
y.
our y.
So what are the
So what are the
operations required?
operations required?
So first,
So
what we
first,
are
what
doing,
we are doing,
we are
we are
just
just
rotating this
rotating this
LK minus
LK
one
minus
frame
one frame
about
about
ZK
ZK
minus one.
minus one.
So first,
So
what we
first,
are
what
doing,
we are doing,
we are
we are
rotating
rotating
N
n
minus one
minus one
about
about
Zn
Z n
minus one
minus one
by
by
theta n.
theta n.
Okay.
Okay.
So in
So
this
in this
case,
case,
this will
this
be
will be
equivalent to
equivalent to
rotate
rotate
L
L
naught
naught
about
about
Z
Z
naught by
naught by
theta.
theta.
So when you
So when
rotate
you
it
rotate
by
it by
theta,
theta,
our
our
x will
x will
go
go
in this
in this
direction,
direction,
y will go
y
in
will
this
go in this
direction. This
direction. This
rotation is our
rotation is our
theta.
theta.
Okay.
Okay.
Now the
Now the
next
next
is
is
I'll
here
write
you
theta
write
naught.
theta naught.
Okay.
Okay.
So the
So
next
the
one is
next one is this is the first
second one.
second
What we
one.
have to
What we
do
have to do
now?
now?
Translate
Translate
L n
L n
minus one
minus one
along
along
Z
Z
n
n
minus
minus
one
one
by
by
dk.
dk.
So
So
here in
here
this
in
case
this
it will
case
be
it will be
translate
translate
L
L
naught
naught
along
along
Z
Z
naught
naught
by
by
d naught.
d
Okay.
naught. Okay.
So now
So
when
now
you
when you
translate this
translate
L
this
naught,
L
this
naught,
is
this
our
is
L
our L
naught.
naught.
This is our
This is our
L1.
L1.
When you
When you
translate this L
translate this
naught
L naught
along Z
along
naught
Z
by D
naught by
naught,
D
then let's
naught, then let's
suppose
suppose
this
this
distance
distance
is
is
D
D
naught. So the
naught. So the
same
same
axis will
axis
go
will
here.
go here.
So this is
So
our
this is our
X,
X,
Y,
Y,
and Z.
and Z.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Now,
what is the
what
next
is the
one
next one
we have to
we
do?
have to do?
So the
The
third
third
transformation we have
transformation
to
we
do
have to
is
do is
again
again
translate this
translate this
along the
along the
AK.
AK.
So let's
So let's
suppose this
suppose this
distance is
distance is
A.
A.
So we have to
So we have to
translate it.
translate
Okay.
it. Okay.
So
So
translate
translate
L
L
n
n
minus
minus
1
1
about
about
along
along
X n
X n
minus 1
minus 1
by
by
AK.
AK.
So in this
So in
case
this
here
case
it will
here it
be
will be
translate
translate
which
which
axis?
axis?
N is 2
N is
here.
2 here,
So
so
n is 1
n is
here.
1
So
here,
N
so L
naught
naught
along
along
X
X
naught by
naught by
AK.
AK.
So this was
So this was
our X
our
naught,
X
right?
naught, right?
So
So
along X
along
naught
X
when you
naught when you
translate,
translate,
then
then
you will
you will
our
our
coordinate will go
coordinate will
here
go here
and you will
and
get
you will get
something like
something like
this.
this.
Z,
Z,
Y,
Y,
something like this
something like this
X. Okay.
X. Okay.
So now the
So now the
fourth step,
fourth
what we
step,
have
what
to
we
do,
have to do,
we have to
we have to
again
again
rotate
rotate
this
this
axis
axis
to
to
coincide it.
coincide it.
So when you
So when you
rotate
rotate
LK
Lk
minus
minus
Ln
Ln
minus 1
minus 1
about
about
Xn
Xn
minus 1
minus
by
1 by
alpha k.
alpha k.
It implies
It
that
implies
here
that here
rotate
rotate
L
L
naught
naught
about
about
X
X
naught
naught
by
by
these all are
these all are
N,
N,
AN,
AN,
DN, and
DN and
alpha N.
alpha N.
So it
So
will
it
be
will be
D1,
D1,
A1,
A1
and
and
alpha 1.
alpha 1.
So after
So
you
after you
rotate,
rotate,
this frame
this
will
frame will
coincide here.
coincide here.
So
So
So these are
So
the
these are the
four
four
fundamental
fundamental
operation we
operation
have
we
to
have to
do
do
to
to
make n
make
minus
n
one
minus
frame
one frame
coincident with the
coincident with
nth
the
frame.
nth frame.
So which
So which
options are
options are
correct? If you
correct? If
see
you
here,
see here,
rotate L
rotate
n
L n
minus
minus
1
one
about z
about
n
z n
minus 1
minus one
by theta
by
l.
theta
So
l.
option
So
1 is
option one is
correct.
correct.
Now next
Now
is the
next is the
translate
translate
L n
L n
minus
minus
1
one
along z
along
n
z n
minus 1.
minus one.
So
So
this is
this is
right
right
by
by
dn.
dn.
So dn
So
is the
dn is
last
the
one. So
last one. So
translate
translate
n
L
minus
n
1
minus
along z
one
n
along z n
minus 1 by
minus one by
dn.
dn.
The third
The
one is
third one is
translate
translate
L n
L n
minus 1
minus one
along
along
x n
x n
minus 1
minus
by
one
a
by
n.
a n.
So
So
this option
this
is
option is
correct.
correct.
And the
And
fourth
the
one,
fourth one,
rotate L
rotate
n
L n
minus 1
minus one
about
about
x n
x n
minus 1
minus
by
one by
alpha n.
alpha n.
So this
So
is
this
correct.
is
So these
correct. So
four
these four
options are
options
correct
are
answer
correct
for this
answer for this
question.
question.
Here there is a
Here there is a
confusion, so I
confusion, so I
will write
will
it in a
write it in a
fresh way.
fresh way.
This is
This is
x
x
n
n
minus 1.
minus 1.
If you have
If you
any
have
doubt,
any
like this
doubt, like
video
this
will be
video will
uploaded
be
on
uploaded on
YouTube. So if
YouTube. So
you
if you
watch on
watch on
YouTube, then you
YouTube, then you
can
can
ask in the
ask in the
comment
comment
section. I
section.
will
I
be
will be
replying there,
replying there,
or I
or
will
I
take
will
that
take
doubt
that
into the
doubt into
next
the
live
next
session.
live session.
If you face
If you
any
face any
difficulty or if you
difficulty or
have
if you
any
have
doubt,
any doubt,
then you can
then you
ask
can
there.
ask there.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.
So we'll
So
move
we'll
on to the
move on
next
to the
question.
next
That
question.
is
That is
question number
question number
2.
2.
So here it
So
is
here it is
given.
given.
Here it is
Here it is
given for a
given for a
homogeneous
homogeneous
transformation
transformation
matrix.
matrix.
That is
That is
transformation
transformation
from width
from
to
width to
base is
base is
given.
given.
So
So
all the
all the
kinematic
kinematic
parameters like
parameters
theta
like
1,
theta
theta
1,
2,
theta 2,
theta
theta
3,
3,
A2,
A2,
A3,
A3,
D1 and
D1 and
D5 are
D5 are
given.
given.
And we have
And
to
we have
find
to
the
find the
position
position
coordinate of the
coordinate of the
wrist with
wrist with
respect to the
respect to
base
the
of the
base of the
robotic arm.
robotic arm.
So first
So
of all,
first
in
of
this
all, in this
question, the
question, the
transformation
transformation
matrix we
matrix
have
we
got,
have got,
we will
we will
divide it
divide
into
it
the two
into the
parts.
two part.
Generally,
Generally,
whenever the
whenever the
transformation
transformation
matrix is
matrix is
given,
given,
so the
so the
first part
first
is a
part is a
rotation
rotation
matrix,
matrix,
second part is
second
a
part is a
translation
translation
matrix. This will
matrix.
be
This
0,
will be
0,
0, 0,
0,
0,
and this will
and
be
this
1.
will be 1.
This is
This is
perspective, and
perspective,
this is
and this
1 is
is
for
1
the
is for the
homogeneous
homogeneous
coordinates.
coordinates.
Okay.
Okay.
So now
So
here you
now
can
here you
see
can see
that
that
this is our
this is our
translation
translation
vector,
vector,
and this is
and this is
rotational
rotational
matrix.
matrix.
Okay.
Okay.
So here
So
this
here this
is
is
our
our
R, and
R
this is
and this
our
is
T.
our T.
So the
So the
translation gives the
translation gives the
position.
position.
So in
So
this
in
question,
this
it's
question, it's
asking find the
asking find the
position
position
coordinate. So this
coordinate. So
is
this is
Px,
Px,
Py,
Py,
and
and
Pz.
Pz.
So here we
So
can
here we
write
can write
down all the
down all the
equations.
equations.
So
So
Px is
Px
equal
is
to
equal to
C1
C1
A2
A2
C2
C2
plus
plus
A3
A3
C23.
C23.
So
So
here
here
C1
C1
means
means
cos
cos
theta
theta
1
1
into
into
A2 into
A2 into
cos
cos
theta
theta
2
2
plus
plus
A3
A3
into
into
cos of
cos of
theta 2
theta
plus
2 plus
theta 3.
theta 3.
Okay.
Okay.
In this
In
question,
this
theta
question,
1 is
theta 1
given
is given
90. So
90.
cos
So cos
90
90
is
is
0.
0.
So this
So
will
this will
become
become
0.
0.
So the
So the
first
first
option is
option is
0.
0.
Px is
Px
0.
is
Now
0.
coming to
Now
the
coming to
Py.
the Py.
That
That
is
is
S1
S1
A2C2
A2C2
plus
plus
A3C23.
A3C23.
So this will
So this will
become
become
sine
sine
theta 1
theta 1
A2
A2
cos
cos
theta
theta
2
2
plus
plus
A3
A3
cos
cos
theta 2
theta
plus
2 plus
theta 3.
theta 3.
So in this
So in
question
this
now,
question
we
now,
know
we
that
know
our
that
theta
our
1 is
theta 1
90
is
degrees.
90
So
degrees.
sine
So
theta
sine
1
theta 1
will be
will be
equal to
equal to
1. So
1.
1
So 1
into
into
A2 into
A2
cos
into
theta
cos
2, that
theta
is
2,
cos
that is
90
cos
degrees,
90
is
degrees,
0.
0.
So this
So
term
this
will lead
term will
to
lead to
this.
this.
And
And
cos
cos
theta 2
theta
plus
2 plus
theta 3,
theta
that
3, that
is
is
135
135
degrees. So it
degrees.
will
So it will
become
become
sine is
sine is
positive in the
positive in
second
the second
coordinate.
coordinate.
So cos
So
will be
cos will be
negative.
negative.
So it will
So it
become
will become
minus of cos
minus of cos
45. So it will
45.
be
So it will be
minus 1 by
minus
root
1 by
2.
root 2.
So this will
So this will
become
become
minus
minus
A3 by
A3
root
by
2.
root 2.
So
So
A3 is here
A3 is here
177.
177.
point
Point
8 by
eight
root
by
2,
root
and in
2,
this
and in
question you
this
can
question
see
you
there
can
are
see
two
there are
options
two
which are in
options which are
minus,
in
that is
minus,
minus
that is minus
125.7, 1 minus
125.7, 1 minus
125.7.
125.7.
So
So
obviously the
obviously
value
the
will be
value will be
minus 1
minus
to
1 to
5.7.
5.7.
Okay.
Okay.
Now coming
Now
to the
coming to the
PZ
PZ
part.
part.
PZ is
PZ is
equal to
equal to
D1.
D1.
Okay, I will
Okay, I will
add one
add
extra
one extra
page here.
page here.
Now the
Now the
position in
position
Z
in Z
direction, that is
direction, that
given
is
as
given as
D1
D1
minus
minus
A2S
A2S
minus
minus
2
2
minus
minus
A3
A3
S23.
S23.
Okay.
Okay.
So here
So
if you
here
will
if you will
give
give
D1 is
D1
our
is our
250
250
minus
minus
all other
all
terms
other
are
terms are
minus.
minus.
So it will
So it
become
will become
A2.
A2.
A2 is
A2 is 177.8.
177.8. S
S
minus 2 will
minus 2
be
will be
sine of
sine of
minus
minus
90
90
degree,
degree,
that is
that
equal
is
to
equal to
minus 1,
minus 1,
minus
minus
A3, that is
A3, that
again
is again
177.8
177.8
into
into
S23.
S23.
So it will
So it will
become
become
sine of
sine of
2
2
plus
plus
3.
3.
So that
So
is
that is
equal
equal
to
to
145 degree.
145 degree.
So here
So
if
here
you
if
take
you take
177.8
177.8
as
as
common, we will
common, we
get
will
here
get here
minus sine
minus
90
sine
degree is
90 degree is
minus 1,
minus 1,
and this will
and this
become
will become
minus of
minus of
1 by
1 by
root 2.
root 2.
So
So
I think
I think
somewhere this
somewhere this
question have
question
some
has some
mistakes,
mistakes,
like how they have
how they have
written
written
S23 is
S23 is
not in a
not in a
proper way,
proper
I
way, I
guess.
guess.
Or
Or
is it
is it
S1
S1
minus 2?
minus 2?
Something
Something
here it is
here
not
it is
written
not written
properly
properly
in this
in
area,
this
you
area,
can
you
see.
can see.
So for
So
this
for this
question,
question,
what we
what
can
we
do,
can do,
so when you
so when you
calculate, you will
calculate,
get
you will
minus
get minus
53.5.
53.5.
So
So
this
this
term will
term
become
will
1
become
plus
1
1 by
plus 1
root
by
2.
root 2.
So it
So
will be
it will be
something.
something.
This will
This
become
will become
plus.
plus.
So
So
let's have
let's
plus
have
here
plus
only.
here
So when
only.
you
So
do,
when
you
you
will
do,
get
you will get
answer as
answer
here
as here
minus
minus
53.5.
53.5.
Okay.
Okay.
So the
So
correct
the
option
correct
is
option is
option
option
C.
C.
Something is not
Something is
written
not written
clearly here.
clearly
That's
here.
why
That's
I could
why I
not
could
solve
not
the
solve
full
the full
question.
question.
So if it is
So if it
written,
is
you just
written, you
solve
just
it
solve it
properly. Okay.
properly. Okay.
So if you have
So if
any
you have
doubt, you
any
can
doubt, you
ask.
can ask.
Now we
Now
will
we
move
will
on to the
move on to
next
the next
question.
question.
That is, can
That
we
is, can we
consider the
consider the
commercial
commercial
six-axis
six-axis
articulated arm
articulated arm
intellect
intellect
660T
660T
robot as a
robot as a
holonomic
holonomic
manipulator?
manipulator?
So actually, in
So
this
actually, in
question,
this question,
you can see
you
that
can
there is
see
a
that there is
six-axis
six-axis
articulated
articulated
arm.
arm.
So it
So
have
it have
all the
all the
six
six
degree of
degree of
field.
field.
So
So
here
here
it is
it is
holonomic.
holonomic.
If it is
If it
less
is
than
less
6,
than
then it will
6,
be
then it will be
non-holonomic, but it
non-holonomic, but
is
it is
6 degree
6
of
degree of
field. So it is
it is
holonomic.
holonomic.
So the
So the
option
option
is
is
yes, it is
yes,
a
it is a
holonomic
holonomic
manipulator.
manipulator.
So answer
So
is
answer
yes,
is
it
yes,
is
it
a
is a
holonomic
holonomic
manipulator.
manipulator.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
up to
up
this
to this
done.
done.
So
So
now we are
now we are
moving on
moving
to
on to
our
our
next
next
question.
question.
Find the
Find the
value of
value of
joint
joint
distance
distance
and the
and the
link length
link
of the
length of the
Rhino
Rhino
X R3
XR3
robot here.
robot here.
So we have
So
to
we have to
find
find
D
D
and A.
and A.
So before
So before
finding D
finding
and
D
A,
and A,
first what we
first
have
what
to
we have
do,
to
we
do,
have
we
to
have to
assign the
assign the
coordinate
coordinate
system here,
system here.
and
And
after that
after that,
assign the
assign the
coordinate
coordinate
frame for
frame for
all
all
these.
these.
So how
So
we'll
how we'll
assign? So first
assign?
we'll
First
see
we'll
number
see
of
number of
joints 1
joints
to
1
n.
to n.
So there will be
So there
one,
will be
two, three,
1, 2,
four,
3,
five.
4, 5.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Now
after
after
that,
that,
here this
here
x
this
naught is
x naught is
assigned, this is
assigned. This
y
is
naught,
y
and this
naught
is
and
z
this is z
naught.
naught.
So for the
So for the
next
next
one,
one,
this is
this is
our
our
z
z
naught.
naught.
Okay.
Okay.
So if
So
this is
if
our
this is
z
our z
naught, then
naught,
x
then
naught
x
will
naught
be
will be
orthogonal to
orthogonal
both
to both
zk and
zk
zk
and
minus
zk
1. This is
minus
our,
1. This is our, sorry,
z1.
z1.
So the
So the
orthogonal to
orthogonal to
this will
this
be
will
the
be the
direction of
direction of
this
this
axiom, this
axiom, this
axiom. So
axiom.
this
So
is
this is
again
again
our
our
x1.
x1,
And
and
if you
if you
take
take
right hand
right
rule,
hand
then
rule,
this
then
will
this will
become our
become our
y1.
y1.
Now moving
Now
on to the
moving on to the
next,
next,
this is
this is
our
our
z2.
z2.
So
So
the
the
parallel to
parallel
this
to this
is
is
when you
when
take,
you
when the
take, when the
both z1
both
and
z1
z2
and
are
z2 are
parallel,
parallel,
then
then
take
take
a
a
common
common
normal,
normal,
and the
and the
common
common
normal will
normal
be
will be
away to
away
this.
to this.
So
So
this will be
this will be
our
our
x2, and this
x2,
will
and
be
this will
our.
be our.
So if you
So
take
if you take
x2 in
x2
this
in this
direction,
direction,
then
then
let's
let's
suppose
suppose
this is
this
our
is our
x, y,
x,
and
y,
z.
and z.
So in
So
this
in this
case,
case,
x is
x
this,
is this,
so if you
so
take
if you
right
take right
hand
hand
coordinate
coordinate
system,
system,
so our
so
z
our z
is
is
in,
in,
let's
let's
suppose if
suppose if
z
z,
x,
x,
y, and
y,
this is
and
our
this is
z.
our z.
So in
So in
this
this
equation,
equation,
this is our
this is our
y,
y,
and this is
and
our
this is
z.
our
So
z.
x
So
will be
x will be
down, so it is
down, so it is
correct.
correct.
So this is
So
our
this is our
y2.
y2.
Similarly, this is
Similarly, this is
our
our
z3,
z3,
and this is
and this is
our
our
x3,
x3,
and this is
and this is
our
our
y3.
y3.
And
And
again,
again,
now this
now
time
this
this is
time
our
this is our
z4.
z4.
So the
So the
perpendicular to
perpendicular
this
to
will be
this will be
x4.
x4.
And
And
if
if
and this is our
and this is our
y4.
y4.
Okay.
Okay.
So now for
So now for
finding d,
finding
we
d,
have
we
to
have to
first
first
make the
make the
b.
b.
B is the
B is the
intersection of
intersection of
xk
xk
and
and
zk
zk
minus
minus
1.
1.
So
So
x1
x1
and
and
z0 will
z0 will
intersect here.
intersect
So
here.
this
So
will be
this will be
our
our
b1.
b1.
b2 will
b2
be
will be
x2 and
x2 and
z0
z0
again.
again
z1.
z1.
So this will
So
again
this will again
intersection. So this
intersection. So
point
this
will be
point will
again
be again
b2
b2
hour.
hour.
Now
Now
b3 will
b3
be
will be
x3
x3
intersection with
intersection with
z2.
z2.
We can
We
change the
can change the
direction here.
direction here.
This we can
This
take
we
as
can take as
x2, this we
x2,
can
this
take
we
as
can take as
y2, okay?
y2, okay?
Then
Then
we can
we can
reverse here,
reverse here
x3,
x3,
y3.
y3.
Now
Now
this is our
this is our
z.
z.
So
So
again, this is
again
our
this is our
x4
x4
and
and
y4. And again,
y4.
it's
And
the
again it's the
tool. You
tool,
can
you
take
can
this as
take this as
a
a
z5 or
z5 or
something.
something.
So
So
now our
now our
b1 b2 is
b1 b2
done.
is done.
b3 will be
b3 will be
intersection of
intersection of
xk and
xk
zk
and
minus
zk
1. So
minus 1. So
b3 and
b3 and
z2,
z2,
x3 and
x3 and
z2.
z2.
So this will be
So this
our
will be our
b3.
b3.
b4 will be
b4 will be
x4 and
x4 and
z3. This is
z3.
our
This is our
b4
b4
similarly, okay?
similarly, okay?
And this will be
And this
our
will be our
b5.
b5.
So
So
b5 will be
b5 will be
intersection of
intersection of
uh,
uh,
z5 and
z5 and
x4,
x4,
x5 and
x5
z4.
and z4.
So okay,
So,
this is
okay,
our
this is
b5.
our b5.
So now
So
our
now our
d is
d is the
from the
from the
origin frame.
origin frame.
dk
dk
is
is
distance
distance
between
between
lk
lk
minus
minus
1
1
to
to
bk
bk
along
along
zk
zk
minus 1.
minus 1.
So
So
d1 is
d1 is
equal to
equal to
l0
l0
to
to
b1
b1
along
along
z
z
naught.
naught.
So
So
along z
along z
naught,
naught,
L0, this is
L0,
our
this is our
L0,
L0,
this is our
this is our
L1, this is
L1,
our
this is our
L2, like that.
L2, like that.
So
So
L0 to
L0 to
B1 is the
B1 is
distance
the distance
300, so
300,
D
so
will
D will
be
be
300.
300.
Now next
Now
is
next is
D2 will
D2
be
will be
L1 to
L1 to
B1, that is
B1, that is
0, because
0,
this
because this
L1 and
L1
B1
and
is
B1 is
coinciding, so it
coinciding,
is
so it is
0.
0.
Now
Now
D3 will
D3
be
will be
LK minus
LK
1,
minus
that is
1, that
equal
is
to
equal to
L2
L2
to
to
B3. So
B3.
L2
So
and
L2
B3 is
and B3 is
coinciding, so it is
coinciding, so it is
0.
0.
And
And
again
again
L3 and
L3
B4
and
is
B4 is
coinciding,
coinciding,
so it will
so it
become
will become
0.
0.
Now
Now
this is
this
the
is the
last one, that
last
is
one, that is
D5 will
D5
be
will be
L4
L4
to
to
B5.
B5.
B5 will be
B5 will be
somewhere
somewhere
here.
here.
This is
This is
L3, this is
L3, this is
L4, and
L4, and
B5 will be
B5 will
here.
be here.
So it will
So
be
it will be
151.5.
151.5.
So this
So
is
this
our
is our
D.
D.
So the
So
correct
the
option
correct
is
option is
option D
option
here.
D here.
And also
And
we can
also we can
find
find
A,
A,
that is,
that is,
so
so
AK
AK
is
is
BK
BK
to
to
origin of the
origin of the
frame
frame
LK
LK
measured
measured
along
along
XK.
XK.
So here
So here
AK is
AK
BK
is
to
BK to
LK
LK
measured along
measured along
XK.
XK.
So here you
So here
can
you can
see the
see
A
the
will
A
be
will be
A1 is
A1 is
B1 to
B1 to
L1.
L1.
So B1
So
to
B1
L1
to
is
L1 is
0.
0.
A2 will
A2
be
will be
B2 to
B2 to
L2. So
L2.
that
So
is
that is
210.
210.
And
And
again
again
A3 will be
A3 will be
B3 to
B3 to
L3. So that is
L3. So that is
again
again
210.
210.
And
And
it will be
it will be
B4 to
B4 to
L4, that is
L4, that is
75.
75.
And
And
at
at
last
last
it will
it
be
will be
B5 to
B5 to
L5. So this is
L5. So
our
this is our
L5 here.
L5 here.
So this will
So this
become
will
0.
become 0.
So the correct
So the
option
correct
is
option is
option D.
option D.
So you
So
can
you
see, you
can
can
see, you can
calculate
calculate
easily
easily
by assigning,
by
first
assigning,
assign the
first assign the
coordinate
coordinate
frames, then
frames,
find the
then
B
find the B
value,
value,
and after that
and
you
after that
find
you
using
find
the
using the
definition which we
definition
have
which we
taught
have
in the
taught in the
class.
class.
Okay.
Okay.
If you have
So
any
if you have
doubt,
any
you can
doubt, you
ask
can
in
ask
the
in the
comment
comment
box.
box.
Now coming to the
Now
next
coming to the next
question.
question.
In this question,
In
it
this
is
question, it
asking
is
choose the
asking choose
false
the false
statement.
statement.
So first
So first
statement is
statement is
manipulator tasks
manipulator
are
tasks are
normally
normally
formulated in
formulated
terms
in
of
terms of
desired position
desired
and
position and
orientation. Yes,
orientation.
it is
Yes, it is
correct.
correct.
So this is
So this
true
is true
statement,
statement,
because
because
all the
all the
manipulators are
manipulators are
represented from
represented
the
from
base
the base
axis
axis
with
with
respect to the
respect to the
position, and
position and
orientation from the
orientation from
base
the base
axis.
axis.
Second is
Second is
multiple
multiple
solution exist
solution
and
exist
unique
and unique
solution does
solution
not
does not
exist for
exist
inverse
for inverse
kinematics
kinematics
problem. This is
problem. This is
false.
false.
And a
And a
systematic
systematic
closed form
closed form
solution
solution
applicable to
applicable
robots
to
in
robots
general is
in
not
general is not
available. This is
available.
false. This is
This is
true
true
because general
because general
solution is not
solution is not
available
available
for this kind
for
of
this kind of
robotics.
robotics.
You can
You
check the
can check the
coordinate axis
coordinate axis
according to
according
yourself.
to yourself.
Inverse
Inverse
problems are more
problems are
difficult
more
than
difficult than
forward problem.
forward
This is
problem.
also
This is
true.
also true.
So in this
So in this
question, option
question,
B is
option B is
correct.
correct.
So now
So
we'll move
now
on
we'll
to the
move on
next
to the
question.
next
That
question.
is
That is
question
question
number
number
6. Here it
6. Here
is
it is
saying that
saying that
consider 3
consider
degree
3
of
degree
field
of field
RPP
RPP
manipulator
manipulator
given below.
given below.
The tool
The tool
frame,
frame,
base frame
base
and
frame
joint
and joint
axis have
axis
been
have
marked
been
for
marked
you.
for you.
The
The
values of
values
theta
of
2,
theta
theta
2,
3
theta
is
3 is
90 degree in
90
given
degree in given
position.
position.
From the
From the
below figure,
below figure, choose the
which
figure which
represents the
represents the
correct
correct
coordinate frame
coordinate frame
assignments.
assignments.
So in this
So in this
question, 3 degree
question, 3
of
degree
field
of field
RPP
RPP
manipulator is
manipulator is
given.
given.
We have
We
to
have to
assign the
assign the
coordinate frame,
coordinate frame,
and
and
below are the
below are the
5
five
options.
options.
From these
From these
options, we
options,
have
we
to
have
choose
to
which
choose
one is
which
the
one is
correct
the
one.
correct one.
So here
So
only we
here
will
only we
do.
will do.
So
So
in this
in
question,
this
we'll
question,
solve
we'll
here.
solve here.
So let's
So
check
let's
this is
check. This is
our
our
base,
base,
and
and
this is
this
our
is
L
our L
naught.
naught.
Goes here,
Goes
it
here, it
becomes
becomes
L1.
L1.
Go up,
Go
it will
up, it
become
will become
L2.
L2.
And after
And
that,
after
we will
that,
get
we will
our
get our
tooltip.
tooltip.
Okay.
Okay.
So now
So
the
now the
axis of
axis of
Z naught,
Z
this
naught,
is the
this is the
RPP. So it is
RPP. So it is
rotation. So axis
rotation.
of
So
Z
axis of
naught is
Z naught
given.
is
This is
given.
Z
This is Z
naught,
naught.
and this is
And
our
this is
X
our
naught.
X
So our
naught. So
Y
our
naught
Y
will be
naught will be
something like
something
this.
like this.
So in this
So
question,
in
it
this
is
question,
not
it is
dealing
not
about
dealing about
Y. The
Y. The
options are
options
only
are
in X
only in
and Z.
X and Z.
So
So
let's
let's
think in
think
terms
in
of
terms
X
of
and
X
Z.
and Z.
So
So
now,
now,
what will be
what will be
the
the
Z1?
Z1?
So
So
Z1 will be
Z1 will be
again the
again the
axis of
axis
this.
of this.
So this is
So
our
this is our
Z1.
Z1.
And
And
intersection of
intersection
Z1,
of
Z
Z1,
naught,
Z
and
naught,
that
and that
perpendicular is
perpendicular
our
is our
X1. So this
X1.
is
So
our
this is our
X1.
X1.
Okay.
Okay.
Now for the
Now for
next
the
one,
next one,
our
our
Z will be
Z
the
will be the
axis of
axis of
this one. So
this
this will
one. So
become
this will become
Z2.
Z2.
Z1, Z2
Z1,
is
Z2 is
intersecting here.
intersecting
So
here.
this
So this
perpendicular will be
perpendicular will be
X2.
X2.
And
And
here for the
here for the
tooltips, it is
tooltips, it is
already
already
given
given
Z3 and
Z3 and
X3.
X3.
So from
So
this,
from
which is the
this, which is
correct
the correct
option? If
option?
you
If you
see
see
Z2,
Z2,
X2,
X2,
X1,
X1,
Z1, so this
Z1. So this
option C
option
is the
C is
correct
the correct
option.
option.
So
So
this is the
this is the
correct.
correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Have any
Have
doubt?
any
These are
doubt?
very
These are
simple
very simple
question.
question.
So now
So
moving
now
on to the
moving on to
question
the
number
question number
7. Which of
7.
this
Which
is the
of this
R
is the R
matrix of the
matrix of the
tooltip
tooltip
respect to the
respect to the
base for the
base for
joint
the joint
variable
variable
when theta
when
1 is
theta
equal
1
to
is equal to
45
45
degree,
degree,
D2 is equal
D2
to
is equal to
2110
2110
mm, and
mm, and
D3 is
D3 is
equal to
equal to
130 mm.
130 mm.
So here in
So
this
here in
question
this
you can
question you can
write
write
K, that is the
K, that is
number
the
of
number of
joint,
joint,
theta K,
theta K,
all the
all the
kinematics
kinematics
parameter you
parameter
can
you can
write
write
dk,
dk,
ak,
ak,
and
and
alpha k.
alpha k.
So
So
k is
k is
1 2
1,
3.
2,
So
3. So
theta k,
theta
that
k,
is
that is the
theta
theta
1,
1,
theta 2,
theta
and
2,
theta
and
3 is
theta 3 is
90
90
degree,
degree.
and
And
d2
d2,
d3 is
d3 is
given in
given in
this.
this.
For
AK,
it is
it is
0,
0,
0,
0,
0. You
0.
can
You
also
can also
find using the
find using the
definition, and
definition,
alpha
and
k will
alpha k
be
will
0
be 0
degree,
degree,
90
90
degree,
degree,
and 0
and 0
degree.
degree.
Okay.
Okay.
You can
You
also
can also
find
find
this
this
using the
using the
definition which
definition
I've
which I have
taught in the
taught in the
classroom.
classroom.
It's not
It's
that
not
tough.
that tough.
So now these
So now these
parameters are
parameters are
given.
given.
So now
So
coming
now
to the
coming to
arm
the arm
matrix.
matrix.
Arm
Arm
matrix
matrix
can be
can be
given
given
as
as
the first
the first
three
three
cross 3
cross
is
3 is
rotation, that
rotation,
is
that is
0
0
S1
S1
C1,
C1,
and the next
and the
one is the
next one is the
position,
position,
that
that
is
is
D3
D3
C1.
C1.
After that,
After that,
it is
it is
again
again
0
0
minus
minus
C1
C1
S1,
S1,
D3
D3
S1.
S1.
This is
This
again
is again
1.
1.
So
So
this is
this
the
is the
formula you
formula you
can see
can
in
see
the
in the
lecture
lecture
says
says
C1
C1
S1
S1
and
and
D3
D3
S1.
S1.
The third
The
one, that is
third one, that is
1
1
0
0
0
0
D2,
D2,
and the
and
fourth
the
one
fourth
is
one is
0
0
0
0
0
0
1.
1.
So this is
So
our
this is
arm
our arm
matrix. When you
matrix. When you
substitute all the
substitute all the
value,
value,
so here
so
you will
here you
get
will get
theta 1 is
theta 1 is
45 degrees,
45
so sin
degrees, so
theta 1
sin
is
theta
1
1
by
is
root
1 by
2,
root 2,
and here will be
and here will be
minus 1 by
minus
root
1 by
2.
root 2.
So either
So
this
either
and
this
these
and
two
these
options
two
are
options are
correct.
correct.
And here
And here
D2 is
D2 is
210.
210.
Now
Now
to move to
we'll
the
move to the
C1 and
C1
S1,
and
that should
S1.
be
That
both
should
should
be
be
both should be
positive.
positive.
So
So
option A
option
is
A
the
is the
correct
correct
options.
options.
When you
When you
substitute all the
substitute all
value,
the
you
value,
will
you
get
will get
0
0
sine
sine
45
45
degrees 1
degrees
by
1
root
by root
2.
2.
This will be
This
1
will be
by
1
root
by
2
root 2
minus 1 by
minus
root
1 by
2,
root
1
2,
by
1
root
by root
2,
2,
0
0
1 0
1 0
0.
0.
And the
And the
fourth one will
fourth one
be
will be
0 0
0
0
0 0
1.
1.
And here
And here
D3
D3
C1,
C1,
that is
that
equal
is
to
equal to
130
130
by root
by root
2.
2.
Again
Again
D3
D3
S1
S1
130 by
130 by
root
root
2.
2.
And this is
And this is
D2.
D2.
D2 is
D2 is
210.
210.
So the
So
correct
the correct
option
option
seems to
seems
be
to be
option A.
option A.
1 by
1
root
by
2 is
root 2 is
equal to
equal to
0.707.
0.707.
So I will
So
check
I will check
once whether the
once whether
video
the
is
video is
recording or
recording or
not.
not.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's
recording.
recording.
So now
So
coming
now
to
coming
the
to
next
the next
question. So
question.
here is
So
the
here is
TH
the TH
parameters of our
parameters of our
manipulators are
manipulators are
given.
given.
So
So
in this
in
question,
this
it is
question, it is
asking the R
asking the R
matrix
matrix
T tool
T
to
tool to
T
T
base.
base.
So R
So
matrix
R
can be
matrix
found
can be
by
found
post
by post
multiplying the
multiplying the
transformation
transformation
matrices.
matrices.
Hence, we
Hence, we
like
like
T
T
tool
tool
to
to
T
T
base is
base is
equal to
equal to
T raised
T
to
raised
T
to T
base
base
into
into
T
T
tool to
tool to
T raised.
T
So
raised.
you
So you
multiply these
multiply
two.
these two.
After
After
you will
you
get
will get
this
this
value.
value.
So this
So
will
this will
become
become
equal to
equal to C12 minus 4, S12 minus 4, 0, and the position will be R2, C12 plus R11, C1.
So you can
So you
solve
can
this
solve this
question.
question.
Answer will be
Answer will be
option
option
C.
C.
And also
And
you
also
can
you can
see
see
that in
that
this,
in this,
uh,
uh,
so this is
so this is
the
the
rotatory, this
rotatory,
is
this is
rotatory, this is
rotatory, this is
prismatic because
prismatic
here
because
D3
here
is there,
D3 is there,
and this is
and this is
rotatory.
rotatory.
So
So RRPR.
So the
So
robot
the
is
robot is
RRPR
RRPR
structure. So name
structure.
the
So name the
architecture of
architecture of
manipulator based
manipulator
on
based on
every S
every S
parameter.
parameter.
So this is
So
the
this is the
SCARA
SCARA
is
is
SCARA
SCARA
manipulator is
manipulator is
RRP.
RRP.
When
When
SCARA with
SCARA with
rolling rest
rolling
will
rest
become
will become
RRPR.
RRPR.
Okay,
Okay.
SCARA
SCARA
with
with
a
a
rolling
rolling
rest will
rest will
become
become
RRPR.
RRPR.
Okay,
Okay.
so now we'll
So
move
now
on
we'll
to the
move on to the
last
last
question.
question.
So here you
So
can
here you
easily
can
see
easily
that
see that
from
from
the
the
DH
DH
parameters,
parameters, we can
it
see
has
that
the
it has the
RRPR
RRPR
architecture
architecture
because
because
you can see
you can
this is
see this is
RRE and R
RRE and R
architecture,
architecture,
thus
thus
eliminating
eliminating
cylindrical joint
cylindrical
arm
joint
and
arm and
Cartesian
Cartesian
architecture. Both
architecture.
the
Both the
Polar and
polar
the
and the
SCARA robot
SCARA
can have
robot can have
RRPR
RRPR
architecture.
architecture.
Now the
Now
values
the
of
values
alpha
of
are
alpha
either
are either
zero. Here you
0.
can
Here
see
you can see
alphas are
alphas
either
are either
zero or
0 or
180
180
degree.
degree.
For all
For
links,
all links, hence
say
we can
that
say
all
that
the
all the
z-axis
z
or the
axis or
joint
the
axis
joint
are
axis are
parallel,
parallel,
yeah,
yeah,
anti-parallel. Because
anti-parallel.
when the
Because
angle
when
is
the
0
angle
and
is 0 and
180 degree, the
180 degree,
axes
the
are
axis
either
are either
parallel or
parallel or
anti-parallel.
anti-parallel.
So this is the
So this
case
is the
in a
case in a
SCARA
SCARA
robot,
robot,
whereas in a
whereas in
polar
a polar
architecture, the
architecture, the
z-axis
z
or the
axis or
joint
the
axis of
joint
the
axis of
first
the
two
first
joints
two
are
joints are
perpendicular.
perpendicular.
So when
So when
alpha is
alpha is
perpendicular, then it
perpendicular,
is a
then it is
polar
a
robot,
polar
but
robot,
here
but
it is
here it is
parallel, so it is
parallel,
a
so it is the
SCARA robot.
SCARA robot.
Hence the only
Hence the
option
only
is a
option is
SCARA
a
robot
SCARA
here
robot
in
here
this
in this
question.
question.
And the
And
approach
the
vector
approach
and the
vector and the
position of the
position of the
tooltip in the R
tooltip in the R
matrix is
matrix
not
is not
dependent on
dependent
theta
on
4,
theta 4,
indicating a
indicating
roll
a
joint.
roll joint.
So here
So
you
here you
can
can
see
see
that it is
that it
not
is not
depending on
depending on
theta 4.
theta 4,
This is
and
our
this is our
approach
approach
vector.
vector.
So
So
approach
approach
vector is
vector is
not
not
depending
depending
on
on
theta 4.
theta
So
4.
write
So
this
write
point
this
here.
point here.
Approach
Approach
vector
vector
is
is
not
not
depending
depending
on
on
theta
theta
4.
4.
So this
So this
indicates a
indicates a
roll
roll
joint.
joint.
Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt
Any
in this
doubt in this
question?
question?
So we'll move
So we'll
on to the
move on to
last
the
question
last
of
question
today's
of
session.
today's session.
So in this
So in
question, it
this
is
question, it
asking
is
a
asking
6
a 6
DOF
DOF
standard
extender
arm with
armed with
RRP,
RRP,
RRR
RRR
configuration
configuration
is
is
given
given
below. The
below.
base
The
frame is
base
X
frame is
naught,
X
Y
naught,
naught,
Y
Z
naught,
naught,
Z
and the
naught,
tool
and the
frame
tool
is
frame is
X6,
X6,
Y6,
Y6,
Z6.
Z6.
The
The
joints and the
joints and the
respective joint
respective
axis
joint axis
direction have
direction
been
have been
marked.
marked.
So here
So
this
here
is
this is
R,
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 P,
P,
two R
two
axis
R
are
axes
here,
are
R,
here,
R,
R, R,
and R.
and R.
Okay.
Okay.
So the base
So the
frame
base
is
frame is
given, L
given,
naught
L
here.
naught here.
So now it's
So now it's
asking which
asking which
is
is
the
the
statements are
statements are
false. So
false.
first
So
we will
first
see
we
the
will see
first
the first
statement.
statement.
So the
So the
locus of the
locus of the
tool tip
tool tip
when the
when the
value of
value of
theta 2
theta
is
2
held
is held
constant at
constant
0
at
degree
0
and
degree,
we
and
vary
we
the
vary
other
the
two
other
joint
two joint
variable theta
variable
1
theta 1
d3
d3
is a
is a
spherical cell.
spherical cell.
So this is
So this
false
is false
statement
statement
because the
because the
locus of a
locus of
tool
a
tip
tool
when the
tip when
value
the
of
value of
theta 2
theta 2
So
So
theta 2 is
theta 2 is
here.
here.
So when
So
theta
when
2 is
theta
held
2 is held
constant, when we
constant, when
vary
we
the other
vary the
two
other two
joints, that
joints,
is
that is
theta 1,
theta 1,
it will
it
rotate
will rotate
in this
in this
direction along
direction
the z
along the z
axis, z
axis,
naught,
z naught,
and D3
and
is a
D3 is
spherical cell. No,
spherical
it
cell.
will
No,
be
it will be
a
a
hollow
hollow
cylindrical.
cylindrical.
So this
So this
statement is
statement is
false.
false.
Okay.
Okay.
So this
So
is
this
the
is
option
the
is
option is
true.
true.
The
The
manipulator is
manipulator is
holonomic. This
holonomic.
option
This
is
option is
true because
true
it has
because
6
it has
degree
6
of
degree
field.
of field,
And the
and the
manipulator is
manipulator is
non-holonomic as it
non-holonomic as
lacks
it
a
lacks a
yaw
yaw
point. So this
point.
is
So this is
false
false
because
because
the
the
manipulator is
manipulator is
holonomic.
holonomic.
And the
And
last
the
is the
last is
position
the
of the
position of the
tool
tool
frame with
frame
respect
with
to the
respect to
base
the base
frame
frame
is
is
dependent on the
dependent on the
values
values
of
of
theta 1,
theta
theta
1,
2,
theta
theta
2,
3,
theta
theta
3,
4,
theta 4,
theta 5,
theta
and
5,
theta
and
6.
theta 6.
No, it is
No, it
not
is not
depending on the
depending
value
on
of
the value
theta
of theta
6.
6.
So
So
position
position
does
does
not
not
depend
depend
on
on
theta 6. So
theta
this
6. So this
statement is
statement
also
is also
false.
false.
So in this
So
question
in
it is
this
asking
question, it is
which
asking which
statements are
statements
false.
are
So
false.
option
So
A,
option
C,
A,
D are
C, D are
false, B
false,
is true.
B is true.
So we'll end
So
the
we'll end the
lecture
lecture
today here
today here
only
only
because I have
because I
taken
have
this
taken
session
this
very
session
late.
very
Already
late.
other
Already
TAs
other
have
TAs
taken.
have
So
taken.
next
So
we will
next
meet
we
on
will
the
meet on
Tuesday
the
7 to
Tuesday
9
7 to
p.m.
9 p.m.
And that day
And
I will
that day
take a
I will
longer
take a longer
lecture with
lecture with
many new
many new
questions that will
questions
be
that
very
will be
good
very good
questions too.
questions too.
And it will be
And
very
it will be
tough
very
for you
tough
to
for you
solve.
to
Please
solve.
join
Please join
in the next
in the
lecture.
next
Thank
lecture.
you,
Thank you,
everyone.
everyone.
So I will
So I
close
will close
this
this
session here
session here
only.
only.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
If you have
If you
any
have
doubt,
any
then you
doubt,
can
then you
ask
can
in the
ask in
YouTube
the
comment
YouTube
box
comment
or
box or
in the
in the
NPTEL
NPTEL
portal as well
portal
in
as
the
well in the
question
question
forum.
forum.
Thank you.
Thank you.